So that guy is unboxing all of the panels. He is loading them up with the skid steer. That's how many panels you have left. So this whole thing is, we made this ourselves. So the whole thing is engineered. And nobody else has this kind of a setup. So we tip the panels on the side this way. And these guys clamp it on. And then it gets moved on to the truck. And then the truck drives to site. And they unload everything there. And there's like 4 or 5 trucks going back and forth. So he's gonna grab some of the panels from there, put them on the flipper station there, and then they clamp it on and then they move it onto the trucks. That's pretty much what it looks like.